Hello. The weather remains pretty mixed across the UK through this week. There will be some warm sunshine, but there will also be further spells of rain. For many, though, this afternoon looking largely dry. We started off with some heavy showers over East Anglia and the southeast. You can see them there on the radar. And the rain is persisting over parts of eastern Scotland. And notice approaching cloud and rain down to the southwest. That is going to turn things down across Devon and Cornwall, parts of Somerset this afternoon. And eventually that rain is creeping into southernmost parts of Wales. A few scattered showers across England and Wales elsewhere, maybe Northern Ireland, southern Scotland, but many places dry. The main other exception will be the northeast of Scotland, where it does stay dull and damp, and there's a cold and brisk wind blowing over the Northern Isles. Temperatures here struggling somewhat, 6-7 degrees at best, with the rain across eastern Scotland. It's only 8 or 9 Celsius here, but elsewhere with a bit of brightness we should creep into the mid-teens, 14-15 degrees, with some sunny spells over parts of the Midlands and East Anglia. The breeze picking up in the southwest as the rain moves in here. That will spread the rain further north across most of Wales, the Midlands, into northern England through the night. Most of us seeing some rain through the night. Could be some heavier bursts for parts of Northern Ireland as well. With all the clouds and the breeze and the outbreaks of rain, it's should keep the temperatures up 9-10 degrees, the low in the south, a little cooler further north. Still the air cold enough here for some of that rain to be falling as snow over the hills, and that will continue into Wednesday morning. Some of the higher routes could be affected by a little bit of that snow for a time. A wet start for Northern Ireland, much of southern and central Scotland and northern England, parts of eastern England too, waking up to rain, but it should tend to scoot away from here. A sprinkling of showers in the south, but many areas here also dry and fine with some decent spells of sunshine before more rain comes into the southwest late in the day. A fairly brisk wind bringing that rain into parts of the east. That's going to feel cold coming in from the North Sea. Parts of the northwest of Scotland, mostly dry and bright, but still here too, a pretty chilly wind blowing in temperatures only in single figures. And those single digits with that persistent rain over the far northeast of England, southeast Scotland, that will feel pretty chilly for April. Whereas further south, our skies brighten, 15-16 degrees, perhaps even 17 in one or two spots. Should feel pleasant in the sunny spells. As we go through Wednesday evening, not a great deal of change. We continue to feed some rain into parts of eastern Scotland. Further band of showery rain works its way up from the south, something a little bit drier in between. And we will continue with this fairly mixed picture even into the weekend with further spells of rain, but when the sun's out, feeling pleasantly warm. You can catch more details if you subscribe to our YouTube channel and be able to watch our deep dive. That'll be available on Tuesday afternoon.